Hello, today I'm in Kia Ceed. In this video I'll show you how to connect your smartphone with car via Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. In the beginning, connect USB cable to your car and then connect it to your smartphone. Once both devices are connected, on your smartphone select OK, and Android Auto or Apple CarPlay are active. Thanks to Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, you can use voice assistant. What's the weather like tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Razuska it will be mostly cloudy, with a high of 13 and a low of 3.
You can use maps or apps like banking, messenger, calendar, weather, WhatsApp, YouTube Music or Spotify. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.